Make it look so warm.
Okay. Shit, it pulls hard. Man, it seems like it pulls unusually hard. Like I went from buoy to buoy, I'm like, God, I'm here too fast. Dude, I came out of that one corner and I went to whack it and I went over that corner and I'm like, oh, and I laid down and it just crumpled me. So it,
Oh, I thought it was cut down.
no, it just smashed me.
Yeah, first ride. Very good.
Yeah, I'll have to figure out the little initial slickness. That could just be me being timid, you know, trying to set up the corner instead of just putting the pole down and going.
It could, well, that or it could be like your pole placement. I'm like, everything is just,
Yeah.
it's been 6 months since we've been out here.
Yeah.
All right, first ride. We're gonna have lots of footage on various cameras. Yeah, all those bolts. Okay. Exhaust still attached, intake. Yeah.
Yeah, this looks all the same.
awesome, man. I gotta toughen up.
So you like it?
It sucks. I hate it. I don't even like the colors. Why is it so shiny? What's up with this? Why do I got scratches? What's going on with
Yeah, look at that. I don't know.
my legs are all rubbed?
Yeah, that's some aggressive mats there. You rode it like a freaking pro today. Well, for not being here for 6 months.
Yeah, that was fun.
I'm like, that thing was awesome. Good report.
I like it.